Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Yes! Yes, 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 yes. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shifting Lanes. My name is Gregson, and tonight I'm going to trigger the entirety of the Volvo community by putting my white mirror caps back on, because last year when I put them on, so many of you got so triggered when I put them on, and you basically said it looked like a riced out Civic. So I'm gonna do it again because I like the look. So too bad, guys. Now, very delicate process here. By delicate, I mean not really delicate at all. And doing this one-handed, it's a really poor decision. Ha! Suck it. I can actually do it one-handed. Maybe not putting it back on. Ha! There we go. Yes! I think that looks great. I like the offset mirror caps. The XC90s actually do that on the R design, but I painted these myself and they look good. And they match the white wheels, so too bad, guys. They're on. They're here. Get used to it. But interesting, you can see the difference between the blue, monochrome, and the white. I think the white looks good. Boom! There we go. White mirror cap crew back in action for this winter. So I'm actually thinking about doing something else, but I'm not going to do it tonight. If this video gets 250 likes, I will throw tire stickers on the winters, because I think that would make everyone extra triggered just to have all the blue and white. So 250 likes, next video I'll put tire stickers on this car. Ooh, and you know what else I have over there? I actually have another grill. If this video gets 300 likes, I'll spray paint that one white. Yeah, everyone's gonna hate this car in the winter, but I don't care, it's gonna look awesome. So that's really all I had for this video, but yeah, I'm thinking about what we could actually talk about. Oh yeah, my car leaks like crazy because the roof drains in these cars suck. So this car is wet, you can probably see on top here. It's just been pouring with rain here in New Jersey the last couple of days, and yeah, the roof drains on these cars are just abysmal. So I actually have a question for you guys, and I'm gonna post this on some of the forums and Facebook groups too. Is there a way to permanently plug up the drains so that nothing gets into the car? I actually had this problem when I owned the internet's most famous Aston Martin from Doug DeMuro and Tavarish. And what happened was the drains along the back edge of the glass were actually getting clogged, and everything was just going in to the trunk. And Doug actually made a video about it on his 20,000 mile road trip, and he had his hand in the trunk and it was just sopping wet, and the same thing happened to me. So what I had Aston Martin do is actually seal the glass from the inside with an epoxy, and it made everything go away. Do you guys know of a similar fix for these cars? Do you plug the drains and it just pours out the side or out the back? I don't know much about the whole system. I know you blow out the drains to get them clean so that everything can kind of flow normally and be fine, but is there a way to permanently make this go away? Because I keep getting water in the car, I keep getting water in the headliner, and it's just really annoying, especially when I'm going to be using this as a daily driver for the foreseeable future, because we're going to be selling my wife's CR-V, and actually we might be selling the XC90 just because we want my wife to be very comfortable in driving the big car. We don't need 3 cars, and if she's not as comfortable driving this as the Pilot, then we actually might just get a Honda Pilot and sell this, but remains to be seen. This is still perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with the car. It's just comfort level is just important to safety. You have to be comfortable driving the car too. So yeah, now that I've rambled on for like 2 minutes of just standing here, let's fast forward to tomorrow, because there's a couple more things I wanted to talk about this car and about a couple things coming up that I think you guys might be pretty interested in. In a very unexpected turn of events, we got 2 inches of snow. Man, I love driving in the snow, but the crews were too good this time. You guys were too good. There's no snow on the roads at all. There's nothing. Boo, snow crews. You could have given us like a 2-hour delay, guys. Nothing. Ah. Someday I'll make a snow drifting video. Well, I'm here at work, and as you can probably see, this is a different location than what I'm used to. And that's because I actually have a new job. It's the same thing I was doing in marketing. And I actually realized I've never told you guys what I do for a living. But I think an interesting topic of another video would be that and how I make money to actually do things like shifting lanes and how shifting lanes makes money and whatever, all of that stuff. But I have a new job. I no longer work in Morristown, New Jersey, so you probably are used to seeing a parking garage. I won't be in that as much, but I will be in it again, and again, you'll find that out in a subsequent video. But here I am at my new job, and it's just gorgeous over here actually because of all the snow today, so it looks really nice. Car is looking super good with the white caps and white wheels. I just love it. I think it looks great. Yeah, sorry all Volvo people to get triggered, but I think that looks tops. I mean, there are worse views in the world, right? So I'm quickly realizing that I'm losing the light, and I didn't get a bunch of time today to do what I really wanted to do and tease you guys on some things that are coming up. So yeah, eventually essentially this is just becoming a quick update video. So bear with me as I talk for a few minutes and let you guys know a couple things, and next week you'll get a pretty good meat and potatoes video from me. I'm sorry if this is a little bit, you know, haphazard, but you can probably see in my eye, it's a little bloody. I was very sick last week, had projectile vomit and just lots of really not great guttural stuff, so wanted to get better, wanted to give you guys a little update. Just didn't have time to do what I wanted to do. So with that being said, let's do a quick update. I still have yet to do the lights on this car. They are coming out on Friday. There's also a bunch of aesthetics to do on this car. Hopefully that's going in the next week or two. After that, it's basically just waiting until spring to kind of do the M3 challenge, and that will be coming in the spring. You know, I said in a previous video that I'll buy an E46 M3 if that's what it takes. So it's gonna happen, guys. Just stay with us. It's winter here in New Jersey. It's not happening now, that's for sure. But maybe I'll take on Chad in the C30 and some winter shenanigans and activities. So let's hope we get some more snow. As you can see, it's all melted today. It was nice and warm, and all the snow from this morning just went away. But we'll get some more snow and we'll do some fun winter drifting stuff. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming up really soon. It's also auto show season. So the LA Auto Show happened. We're waiting for the New York Auto Show, which will come up in April of this year. We're probably gonna try to get to a couple others like North American. I believe that's in July this year. They've changed it. No one wants to go to Detroit in February, so we'll be there this summer. We'll definitely be at a couple of press events, so lots of stuff to come as far as press things, OEM things, and Hanson is doing all of the reviews for this channel right now from a press car standpoint. So go watch those videos. You can check out all of them if you go to the homepage of the YouTube channel, click videos, and then also just look at all of the reviews he is doing, and he's doing a phenomenal job, so thumbs up to Hanson for that. The summer wheels I have, I believe, are sold potentially to a guy named Brandon out on the West Coast, so fingers crossed that that goes through in the next week and we should be good. A couple of channel things. The merch we have, they are all going to be on sale from now until the end of the year. If you go to our Teespring account and you use the code SHIFT20, that's SHIFT20, you'll get 20% off any Shifting Lanes merchandise you go purchase. So go there. The code expires January 1st, 2020. It's for the holidays, and don't forget to click the extra box where you get it printed right away, because the print runs on these things may take a little while. So just click that box. It's like an extra $2 or $3. We actually don't get any of that money, but if you want it before the holidays, just click that box and you'll get it. But yeah, 20% off all merchandise from now until the end of the year. Go in the link in the description below, or go to teespring.com and search Shifting Lanes. So again, sorry this isn't a more in-depth video or anything more interesting. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. For the video I'm doing Friday to take the headlights out, I will give you guys an overview of how to do it. It's a little bit weird on these R's. You actually have to take off the front bumper, and I'm extremely jealous of Chad that all he has to do is pop the hood, remove a thing, and the light comes right out. So yeah, you suck, Chad, per usual. But I'll show you guys how to take the lights out of these P2Rs. Most of you probably know how to do that, as these things crack a lot and people replace them all the time. But if you're interested in that video, definitely stay tuned next week. That'll do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back next week with a better video than this piece of crap that I'm giving you now. If you want to go follow us on social media, it is at Shifting Lanes anywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're not really on Twitter that much, but Facebook and Instagram are the two best spots. My name is Gregson, and I will catch you next time, guys. See ya.